Make a great choice today with the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.